Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys sound and vibration setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off your screen touch tap sound in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to off guys your touch sound, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off touch sound in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your touch sound. And guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, first of all guys, click on your sound setting and guys scroll it, and guys you can see this advanced settings. So guys tap here, again scroll guys, and guys you can see your touch sound. So guys we will off from the right side. So guys your tap sound means guys touch sound, so it will off in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.